Dear students, welcome to Study and Learn Academy. I am Dr. Ganpat Nagda, and today we will start a new chapter for ICSE board class 9 chemistry, that is atomic structure. So, atoms are minute particles that are found in every object. Various atomic models were devised by several scientists to describe the atomic structure. Thomson's model states that an atom comprises of a positively charged sphere with electrons embedded in it. Rutherford's model states that the center of the atom has positively charged nucleus and negatively charged electrons rotate around the nucleus. Niels Bohr models states that the electrons rotate around the nucleus at distinct orbits without any energy loss. In this topic, you will learn about the atomic number and structure, mass number, and the octet rule. Structure of an atom. According to modern atomic theory, atoms are composed of particles. The three main subatomic particles are proton, neutron, and electron. Particle, charge, mass, and symbol and discovery. Electron, charge is -1, mass is 1 by 1837 of H atom, and symbol is -1 E0 or E minus. Discovery by J.J. Thomson. The second subatomic particle is proton, +1, charge is there, mass is 1.008 AMU, symbol is +1 P1. Rutherford is the scientist who discovered the proton, subsequent to discovery of canal rays by Goldstein. Then the neutron, and that is neutral, mass is 1.008 AMU and symbol is 0E1, and the scientist discovered the neutron is Chadwick. Atomic number. The number of protons in the nucleus of the atom of the element is the atomic number and denoted by the letter Z. In a neutral atom, the number of protons equal to the number of electrons. So atomic number equal to number of protons. Example, the atomic number of an element is 12. The atoms contain 12 protons and 12 electrons. Mass number. This is the total number of protons and neutrons present in the atomic nucleus. It is denoted by the letter A. Example, mass number of the nitrogen atom is 14, which means that it contains 7 protons and 7 neutrons. Now the notation of element. So you can write the element like this: atomic number, then the element name, symbol, and mass number. So ZXA. So example, nitrogen atom has notation as 7 and 14. Octet rule. The number of electrons in every shell or energy level is given by the formula twice n square, where n is the number of the shell. First shell, K shell, 2 into 12 is equal to by this formula you can calculate the number of electrons in any shell. The outermost shell cannot have more than 8 electrons. The penultimate shell cannot have more than 18 electrons. A new shell is formed as soon as the octet is complete in each inner shell. An atom becomes stable if it reaches octet configuration or duplet in the case of hydrogen and helium. The electrons in the outermost shell are called valence electrons. Therefore, valency is the number of electrons gained or lost to achieve the nearest noble gas configuration. Valencies and isotopes. Valency can be defined as the combining capability of atoms in order to form molecules either with similar or with dissimilar elements. Valency can also be defined as the loss or gain or sharing of the number of electrons by an atom when a chemical reaction occurs. Isotopes are those atoms with the same atomic number but distinct mass numbers because of the same atomic numbers that they are share. Isotopes are positioned at the same place in the periodic table. In this topic, you will learn more about valency, valence electrons and isotopes. Valence electrons. The outermost shell of an atom is called its valence shell, and the number of electrons present in the valence shell is known as valence electrons. The number of valence electrons also indicates the metallic or non-metallic nature of the element. If an element has 3 or lesser valence electrons, then it is a metal. On the other hand, an element with 4 or a higher number of valence electrons is a non-metal. Electrons in the outer energy level orbit of an atom can take part in chemical bonding. Valency of an element represents the combining capacity of the elements. Elements that have 8 electrons in the valence shells are called inert gases, except for helium. Chemical activity of an atom. The chemical activity of an atom depends on the number of electrons in the valence shell of its atoms. Chemically, active elements have an incomplete octet in the valence shell of their atoms. Atoms react with each other to achieve an octet in their valence shell. Atoms complete their octets by sharing, accepting or donating electrons. We can determine the valency of an element from the number of electrons gained, lost or shared in order to complete the octet. Chemical activity and octet configuration. An atom tries to achieve octet configuration for maximum stability. This is done by losing an electron to become electronegative. An atom can achieve octet configuration by gaining electrons and forming electrovalent bonds with an electronegative atom. An atom can achieve octet configuration by sharing one or more electrons with another atom to form a covalent bond. In the given diagram, 2 hydrogen atoms sharing one electron to form single H2 molecule. 2 fluorine atoms share one electron to form a single bond F bond F. Carbon shares 2 electrons each with 2 oxygen atoms to form 2 double bonds in CO2. Now the isotopes. Atoms of the same element with same atomic numbers but different mass numbers are called isotopes. This is due to the difference in the number of neutrons present in the nucleus. Isotopes have same chemical properties but different physical properties. Isotopes of the same element occupy the same place in the periodic table because they have the same atomic number. So examples are isotopes of hydrogen, isotopes of carbon, and isotopes of chlorine. So this is all about the today's lecture of atomic structure. Thank you very much. Goodbye.